Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your DJI Osmo Pocket 4. To do that, having your camera turned on, you have to swipe down from the top of the display, and then we're gonna have to go to settings, so tap the gear icon here. Then let's scroll down to wireless connections menu, open it, and then scroll down to reset connection. Tap right here, tap reset, and then wait. When you see that reset is successful, you can tap cancel and exit this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.